Valerie. I am here today and I'm going to be unboxing the October Owlcrate Junior box. Here it is and I'm really excited to open it. So let's get started. Okay. As usual, we have the first thing is the Science is Magic brochure pamphlet type of thing. And there's an interview with the author as well as some science experiments and also a community feature. And I love just like reading this like book because you get to like learn a lot of new things. And I noticed that in the creativity corner, there's like this thing called Bouncing Eggs, and I've seen it a bunch of times. Basically, you take one raw egg with the shell and all, and you put it inside a jar, and you put vinegar over it and let it soak for like up to 3 days. And basically, it becomes bouncy. And I really want to try that, so I'm going to try that after this unboxing. So yeah. The next thing I see here is, this is an umbrella. Oh my god. So from Owlcrate, I've already gotten an umbrella and it's really, really pretty. And let's just see this. Let's just like admire how amazing that looks. Here. Nice. Look how beautiful that looks. But I really like the this Owlcrate umbrella and the one before this one, because I think it just like looks amazing, and also it's practical. Also, it comes with this like really cool umbrella like sleeve. So, the next thing here is this compass pin, enamel pin. Hopefully you can see now. But this pin looks very, very cool. And I think the Owlcrate pins are very, very pretty. Next, we have, I do not know what this is. It says, here, let's see in the brochure. Usually it has like what's in there. A lanyard. I do not know what this is, but I'm guessing it's it's to like hook something or like attach something to another thing, and it's Magic School Bus themed. And I remember like loving seeing Magic School Bus, and it says, make mistakes, get messy, take chances, and make mistakes, get messy, take chances. So I think that's very important, but I am going to figure out how to use this. Okay, next we have, slime. This is glowing galaxy slime, and it's slime. So I'll be honest, during like third grade and second grade and third grade, I had this like big phase. And I really, really, really love slime. So, and it's just so satisfying to just like mix things and like customize it. So I'm going to be making this, I'm going to be making this later on in the video. So, yeah, cool. Oh, I do not know what this is. Let's open it. Let's see. Whoa. Look at how cool that is. Okay, so it says, protect your hardcover with this, with this wild robot inspired fabric book cover. That's a thing. That's crazy. So like, let's see. I don't have a book, but when I do have the book, I'll put it on there. But this is so cool, and I love like the graphics of this. I love like It's kind of art. Oh, that's so pretty. And like the wild robot is like sitting there with like a little birdie. It's so cute. Okay. And finally, the thing that we've all been waiting for. The book. This is called Amir and Hamza, the War to Save the World. It is by Samira Ahmed. Wow. This is great. Wow. Can we just like take a second to appreciate like the illustrations of this book cover? That is crazy. Whoa. Okay, but ooh, the author did sign the book, which I think is really cool because like the author just like signs the book for you, and like you have a signed copy. But okay, that's my voice squeaked. That is the book, what the book cover looks like, and then there is a letter. Dear OwlcrateJr. member, when I was a little girl, there was a special place in my backyard where 4 lilac trees met. Every spring, magic bloomed there. Underneath that canopy of purple flowers was a portal that could take me to wondrous worlds where I, a fairy with glittery golden wings, would battle evil jinn and other fire spirits with nothing but my wits, imagination, and a potion of mud and dandelions. Those enchanted evenings were part of the inspiration for Amira and Hamza, the war to save the world. Like you, Amira and Hamza are curious, courageous, and fans of dessert at any time of day. On this journey, they confront questions like, how can a sofa fly? Do s'mores grow on trees? And can 2 goofy siblings stop bickering long enough to save the world? I hope you have fun finding the answers along with them. Samira, XOXO. Well, so based on this letter, this book is inspired by her childhood and like that place where she described like the 4 lilac trees where they met and like magic bloomed there and she used her imagination. That's just very like, I dream of those things where it's like so beautiful and so serene and so calming. But let's find out what the book is about. A piece of the moon has cracked and it is drifting away. It looks like it's moving at a snail's pace, but I know being able to see it move like that at all means it's hurtling towards the sky, growing bigger. God, it's heading towards us. My eyes locked on the jagged puzzle piece of lunar rock, its edges slashing the night and making it bleed stars. So that's just on the back of the book. That's not the blurb, but that's a part of the book, I think. Wow. So, I'm guessing they're saving the world, and they're like our age, and I can't really imagine saving the world because that's just like, eek. But, I can't wait to read about how Amira and Hamza save the world. So, yeah. And, oh, yes, I forgot. Putting this on. For safety reasons, I'm going to take this off because I don't want to hurt that cover. I don't know at all how this works. So, there. Now no one knows at all what book I'm reading because, I mean, it's like kind of mysterious. But that is so cute, that cover. I just like, it's so cute. But I think this is a really cool kind of like book thing. Okay, but anyways, last but not least, the theme of the November OwlcrateJr. box is dragons. Readers, be aware. Here be dragons. Next month's theme is packed to the gills, or should we say scales, with dragon-inspired goodies. November's book is the first in a magical fantasy trilogy, perfect for fans of Philip Pullman, Cornelia Funke, and Diana Wynne Jones. You are going to love it. So I'm looking forward to the November, September, October, November. Oh, November Junior Owlcrate Junior box. Okay, and now let's make slime. I have like all the slime things here. Instead of doing it in this small tube, I'm going to do this in this bowl just to make it easier. And I read the directions and everything. So yeah, let's do it. It's just like slime packet stuff. So first thing, we have 75 milliliters of water here. I'm just gonna pour it in. Side. Next we have our slime powder. And we are going to dump it into the water. Glitter and stuff. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of glitter because here, I'll add this glitter. Being careful. So I'm pretty sure you just mix it and let it like stay there. Every few minutes until it has solidified. Solidified until it has become solid, which takes 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah. In the meantime, we can do the egg experiment. The second experiment is this bouncy egg thing. Okay, so basically I have a raw egg straight from the fridge. It didn't say whether it had to be like large, small, organic, not organic, pasteurized, not pasteurized. So I just took an egg. So yeah, and also I have some vinegar. Also, it didn't say if it was like, it had to be like rice vinegar. Like, I don't know, there's so many different kinds of vinegar, but I just am doing what I can. Okay, so place the raw egg in the jar. Pour vinegar over the egg, at least 24 hours, up to 2 or 3 days. You'll know when it's ready to bounce when the shell has turned translucent. And then you add vinegar until it has covered the egg. Wow. Olivia's like off camera, like dying because of the smell of the vinegar. Yeah. We have to let this sit for a long time. I'm just gonna keep on shaking this. I don't know if we just have to wait. Yeah, bye. And I have our results. So the slime it's just like slime now instead of like blue goop, which is nice. Hi, Olivia. Hi. Got this blue goop. Olivia's like scared of this.
No. It's just so good.
Yes. That's what slime is. Okay, and we have our bouncy egg. So let's open it. It's been sitting in vinegar for around 2 days. See, it's like kind of translucent here.
Bounce.
I am going to, I'm sorry. I'm gonna take it into my hands and cradle it. And I'm gonna,
Vinegar got in my foot.
Okay, I'm worried it's gonna like splatter everywhere, but it's like translucent and it's like not freaking. Well, I mean, I guess it. Should I try here? It might make a mess.